Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energies, Capricorn. And I'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So, one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. These are for your daily energies, Capricorn. We'll be picking the cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So we'll open these cards at last, guys. This is for your career situation. These cards will answer the questions you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys, whatever deep thoughts that you are having. So for your daily energies, guys, cross, ship, house, garden, child. So with these cards here, guys, I see here that you are trying to stabilize or structure your life, guys. Maybe in your career or your relationship, you are trying to build that strong foundation in your life. So that stability and security, you are doing things to do that. You are taking great efforts to reach that security and structure and stability in your life, guys. So maybe sometimes you are not you are avoiding the new beginnings, whatever is coming towards you. Maybe you are getting some creative opportunities in your work, some new projects, some new ventures, maybe, but you are in confusion. You don't want to take that up. You do not want to leave your comfort zone to take those choices. So there is a whole world waiting for you today. So you need to have that courage and strength to venture into these unknown opportunities. So whatever it is, it may bring you more success. So you should think about those choices, guys. That is what is the energy here. And I also see here that you have been facing lots of struggling situations in your life, lots of obstacles and struggles in your life, and maybe some of you all are finding comfort and security in certain faiths. You may be a person of a certain beliefs, and you are having that sense of satisfaction and contentment in those faith. So you are finding shelter in that. And also maybe for some of you all, it may this relationship or this time of your life, it may be because of destiny, whatever trials, whatever sacrifices that you are making today. Maybe it is destined or maybe it is fated, guys. That is the reason this situation is there in your life. So that is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, you are overthinking about your decisions. That is what we saw here with this card. It just means that you are overthinking. You do not want to take some new ventures. You do not want to leave the comfort zone. And again we see that you may be overthinking, so you have to go for that spontaneous decisions, whatever inspirations that you feel in your heart of hearts. If you want to do that, if you want to take up that opportunity, you need to go ahead and embrace that new path, whatever choice that is coming towards you, guys. So you have to give up that preconceived ideas, whatever you have. Sometimes the lessons that we have learned from our experience is good, but sometimes we should have the clarity. It should not act as a hindrance in the path when we are moving forward. So these by these lessons we should not have fear. We should take only the lessons, and these preconceived ideas of the past, whatever has caused that failures in the past, that should not act as an obstacle or hindrance in the way you are going moving forward in your life, guys. So you need to be open minded today. Whatever is coming towards you, you need to welcome it. That is what I see here. That is the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, you may be meeting with friends, family, and having a good time today, guys. Partying, or you may be going to some fundraisers, some kind of communal activities you are participating in. That is also what I see here, Capricorn. So you need to be open minded and uh, embrace the new changes, new beginnings. That is what I see here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career. Never ending story. For your career situation, guys, we saw that you are avoiding the new beginnings because you do not want to venture out of your comfort zone. Again, it is the same energy with this card. So whatever new beginnings or opportunities that are coming your way, you should give up that fear, envy, and greed, whatever you have in your career. You should not compare yourself with others and thinking that their success must be yours, and you should not be afraid of whatever opportunities you are getting today, guys. So you need to be aware of what you are doing to yourself. You have to stop. You are stopping yourself. That is what is happening. So based on your past experience, past failures, you are criticizing yourself. You feel that a financial insecurity in your situation. So you have to give up all that self criticism and fear, and you should learn to love yourself even for the mistakes whatever you did in the past. So you have to use criticism constructively. So whatever that negative you are feeling about yourself, you need to stop telling yourself again and again the same things, whatever of your past, your failures, and you should move forward with this new opportunity. So you should tell a different story to yourself with confidence, with courage. When you figure that out, you will be happy that you will be reaching success, guys. Whatever you want to reach, all those goals will come towards you in your career situation. So you have to give up that negative thoughts that you are having within your mind regarding your career situation. Those fears, you need to give it up. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, Capricorn. Orphaned. With this card, the oracle's guidance for us, guys. Sometimes in this relationship we don't have that sense of belonging. We do so many things. We adapt ourselves to try and fit in this relationship, change ourselves, but sometimes we have to be true to our core truths and values, guys. We should not give up that to fit in this relationship. So you are committed to your own growth, and maybe sometimes you don't share that deep understanding in this relationship, because you are in a different stage of personal growth and this person is in a different stage of personal growth. So that may be the reason that you do not share the same values and beliefs and you feel left out. You do not have that uh, safety, you don't feel that sense of security or belonging in this relationship, guys. So you don't have to feel bad about it. You just have to have that understanding that you will be able to accept, or people who will be able to accept you without this artificial mask will come. So whoever understands you truthfully, those with those people you can have a meaningful connection. So it is not the time for you to compromise to belong to this person, guys. It won't be worth the price. So when you base this relationship on something that is not true, it will not work, it will not last long. So that is the oracle's guidance here, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.